We are right now in the biggest DHA of Pakistan, which is DHA Multan, और DHA Multan का सबसे बड़ा commercial project, which is downtown Rumanza. Let's look at it. Downtown Rumanza is located on the main boulevard, adjacent to the huge main gate of Rumanza Golf Community, which means you will get all the elaborate facilities of DHA Multan. So if we talk about the project of downtown Rumanza, you get beautiful views of Rumanza Golf Course. यहाँ पे आप आ सकते हैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ enjoy कर सकते हैं. You can enjoy the jogging track as well as the views and the beautiful environment that DHA provides you. So right now we are standing in the lobby of downtown Rumanza. अब हम अंदर जाएंगे. We'll see the 3-bedroom apartment. So let's go and take the tour. So this is the most luxurious, very spacious 3-bedroom apartment in downtown Rumanza. As soon as you enter, you have your study area, which can also be converted into a 3-bedroom. Also, you can use it as a drawing room. Very spacious, very beautifully designed for you and your family. So in this study area, you have a balcony as well. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत अच्छे views मिलेंगे of the golf course. Very beautiful, very well designed, something that you will look forward to every day. Study area से जिस समय आप बाहर निकलते हैं into the lobby, then you have your first bedroom on the left. Let's look at it in detail. अगर इसको आप देखें तो very contemporary design, modern यहाँ पे इसको बनाया गया है. Interior is very beautiful, spacious, natural light आपको यहाँ मिलती है. And obviously when you see it here, it looks just beautiful. अगर आप इस साइड पे देखें तो you have your wardrobe, full size wardrobe आपको मिलता है, enough space for everything that you want to keep inside. सबसे बड़ी बात, it has an attached washroom as well. So let's look at it. So this is the first attached washroom that you get in your apartment. अगर washroom की बात की जाए तो you have your ensuite shower, very nice size, modern fittings आपको sanitary ware की मिलती हैं. And सबसे important बात, this is an attached washroom with 2 entrances. You get another entrance from the lobby itself. So I just showed you the study area, the first bedroom and the washroom. But now my favorite place in the house, the kitchen. Let's look at it. So the kitchen in your apartment is also very elaborate, बहुत spacious है. You have ample amount of counter space here. Cabinets are very modern. You have the hood and the stove as well. So on this side you have your bar style counter for your kids to have your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Very nice. So the kitchen is also big enough to accommodate all of your appliances. You have your huge refrigerator as well as your oven and also more cabinet space to keep anything that you need in the kitchen itself. Kitchen के अंदर ही आपको एक और separate area मिलता है for all your laundry needs. You can have your dishwasher or your washing machine and dryers all in one place. So let's take a look at the most luxurious room in the apartment, the master bedroom. Let's go. So this is the master bedroom of the apartment. Very spacious, very luxurious. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको डिज़ाइन किया गया है. The interior is done spectacularly. You have your full length windows for natural light. बहुत spacious आपको feel आती है यहाँ पे. And just look at the chandeliers, look at the doors and the cabinets as well. आपको ample amount of space मिलती है इस room के अंदर भी. And additionally, just look at the luxury that you are going to enjoy in this apartment. So इस master bedroom के साथ आपको attached washroom भी मिलता है. You have your ensuite shower on one side. You have very modern sanitary ware. सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पे जो मिल रहा है. It is designed in a way that is seamless. Lights and everything else gives you a very warm feeling whenever you're going to enjoy this apartment. So let's look at the main room जहाँ पे आप सबसे ज़्यादा time spend करने जा रहे हैं अपना. What a beautiful, luxurious living area this is. This is the main living area. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. The media wall is huge, very modern marbling on the back, and also the dining area for you guys. The tiles are beautiful. The space is beautiful and natural light that will give you views of your golf course every day. It has high-rise apartments, penthouses with stunning golf course views. All the units in downtown Rumanza have high potential for significant capital gains as the area develops. It has a wide array of inventory options, from studio apartments to 3-bedroom units. All the apartments are well ventilated and have sunlit living spaces. While living in downtown Rumanza, you can enjoy the most luxurious amenities that you can ever imagine. You have swimming pool, residence lounge, rooftop garden, and a huge shopping mall. It also includes movie theater, a museum, fine dining restaurants, and basement parking. You will also have a 5-star hotel managed by Royal Swiss.